Does yoga burn calories? While you can definitely shed pounds doing yoga regularly, adding yoga to your workout routine isn't a guarantee you'll lose weight. Whether or not you lose weight doing yoga depends on your total daily caloric expenditure and the number of calories you eat daily. Calories burned doing yoga. The number of calories you'll expend doing yoga is based on your body weight and workout duration. If you weigh 125 pounds, you'll burn about 120 calories, and if you weigh 185 pounds, you'll expend 178 calories in 30 minutes doing yoga, according to Harvard Health publications. Bump up your workout duration to 1 hour and you'll burn about twice as many calories. Therefore, if your caloric intake stays constant and you add 1 hour of yoga to your daily routine, you should start to slowly shed pounds. Calories needed for weight loss. The number of calories you ingest is just as important, if not more so, as the number of calories you burn doing yoga. To effectively lose weight, you must burn more calories than you eat. The American Heart Association suggests that a healthy rate of weight loss is 1 pound per week, which most people can accomplish by burning off 500 more calories than they eat daily. For example, you could reduce your caloric intake by 200 calories and burn an extra 300 calories daily doing yoga for 1 hour, to lose about 1 pound weekly. Try Yoga Burn for helping women get lighter, healthier and happier.